The men's t-shirt section at the thrift store is sometimes my favorite area. I love the statement that graphic tees can make, and I have 2 fun ways to DIY these thrifted men's t-shirts. I have these 2 t-shirts, both iconic symbols of North America, so I thought they would be the best combined. Designate which side you would like to be on the left and right per t-shirt. Start by snipping or marking 1/2 inch away from the center of the t-shirt to accommodate seam allowance, something I forgot this time, but I'm telling you now so you won't forget. Cut down the middle and repeat for the other t-shirt. I've seen both this Amazon trucking tee and Hooters tee more than once on my thrift trips. When I saw this t-shirt online, I thought these 2 would be the perfect pairing together. Place right sides together and pin down the raw edges. Make sure you match the collar of both t-shirts together for a uniform finish. Then sew along. After you finish the front, turn the t-shirt inside out and match and pin the right sides of the back together. The back of my 2 t-shirt halves were not the same lengths, which you're welcome to adjust, but the original inspiration t-shirt had the same look with mismatched lengths, and I decided to keep it that way. For the next t-shirt, I have this bro tee that I wanted to bedazzle. You can take any types of trimmings you want, pom-pom, fringe, and in my case, pearls. By keeping the pearls on the thread and attaching the whole string by the fishing line, I save time from beading every single one along the text. This DIY would work best with cursive fonts as there is a line to follow versus block text. You can use it to highlight certain words on a t-shirt or even an image. With such recognizable graphics, these DIYs are a great way to wear your favorite men's tees ironically, but with a twist. I love the contrast between hyper heterosexuality and blurring it with feminine features like pearls, or literally cutting it up and combining it into a new fashionable piece. If you like these DIYs, please subscribe with notifications, and you can see how I style all my thrift pieces and DIYs on my Instagram at Letitia Q. Thanks for watching!